ने प्रोड्यूस की है. So I am looking forward to watching the film.
मैम इस तरह की फिल्म देखना कितना मतलब आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसमें?
मुझे अच्छी फिल्में देखने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. I think it's a great film. So I'm going to watch it now.
Any upcoming projects?
Baba Black Sheep and Red Affair very soon.
Thank you.
Yeah? Alright, thank you.
Project for me, and I really hope that more and more people come to it because we want to create engaging and entertaining cinema content around it. So we want to do content that is fun and insightful and entertaining, but it's not backward. So I don't want to gossip, I just want to talk about movies.
Ma'am, this year you see the 2017 is a women's centric film is coming. You see Shri Devi, Ravina Tandon, feminist.
I think it's wonderful. I think we need many, many more. Most films are, for a variety of reasons, centered around men. So it's time that women also got a slice of the pie. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I have been looking forward to this film अंगमली डायरीज. मैंने ना इसका ट्रेलर देखा है ना कुछ देखा है. मैंने पोस्टर देखा है एंड आई हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम मेनी फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम माइंड फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री जिन्होंने इसका पहला स्क्रीनिंग देखा था एंड दे हैव बीन ओनली रेविंग अबाउट दिस फिल्म. तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट बिजॉय सर हैज केप्ट द स्क्रीनिंग एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस फिल्म.
How do you see the Malayalam filmmaking increasing in Bollywood?
अब एक्चुअली लैंग्वेज मैटर नहीं करती. जब भी आपको पता लगता है कुछ अच्छी कहानी है, क्रेडिबल कहानी है, तो हमेशा मन करता है देखने का. एंड जैसे कि मैंने कहा, बहुत अच्छी बातें सुनी है इस कहानी के बारे में. ग्रिटी है, स्ट्रॉन्ग फिल्म है. तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और मुझे बिल्कुल इस फिल्म के बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं पता. तो आई एम इवन मोर एक्साइटेड कि एक अननोन स्पेस में जाए.
Any planning upcoming project?
अभी एक इसी साल एक फिल्म आएगी कॉल्ड लव पर स्क्वायर फुट, which is being produced by Ronnie Screwwala in his maiden production house called RSVP, directed by Anand Tiwari, and that biopic that I'm working on.
Because we need an ID.
Oh, Malayalam films, they're very well made films, and Angamali Diaries, I've heard a lot about it. It's a big super hit made with 86 newcomers. So it's not a joke. I think we're all excited to see what's in there. That 86 newcomers have got their big break, and let's see. Maybe it's remade in Hindi sometimes.
Ma'am, you're looking beautiful and your costume also good. Can you tell us something regarding this costume?
Oh, my costume, you're here for the film, yeah. Okay, my costume, just a regular, like, wow, it's a film costume. It's not some red carpet thing. I'm wearing forever new dress and just...
What difference will find?
I have worked for South films. There's a difference. It's end of the day, we are just acting. We are artists. We are acting here. We are acting in Bollywood or in Tamil, Telugu. So no, it's not like that. Hindi is also very professional. At least the people I have worked with. It's not like that. It's just something that is being said. I have never experienced not being punctual on the sets. I think Bollywood, Tollywood, everybody has to be punctual if they're making a film. So I have currently just finished shooting for Looked, which is a psychological thriller, and I think they're lovely actors like Javed Jafri, Vijay Raj, and ensemble cast. So looking forward.
Ma'am, you are looking so much fit. Any planning video you will make?
We are actors. You got to be fit, man. Please understand.
सर क्या कहना चाहिए आज आपको फिल्म और कई बड़े लेखक आए हैं, अनुपमा जैसे बड़े स्टार आए आपकी फिल्म को क्रेडिट देने के लिए.
It's a proud moment for Malayalam cinema actually, and all of us. Lijo, for me, for Friday Film House. I mean, such a small movie from a small state like Kerala. It's been honored here by the Bollywood, by a big crowd here, and we thank 1018 MB and Bijoy Nambiar for organizing such a show for us. And we are amazed by the response. I mean, it's the love for good cinema. And all credits go to Lijo because we introduced 86 newcomers in this movie. and to have 86 newcomers who have never faced a camera, it's a nightmare for the director. So all credits to him. I just.
So what do you want to say that all Bollywood celebrities are coming and here to motivate?
I should say I'm overwhelmed. I'm super glad to see the kind of crowd which has turned up today evening. I just want to see how they respond to the cinema.
How you see the Bollywood and Malayalam or Tollywood in that? What difference is between?
I seriously don't know what to say about it, but I don't see any difference. Basically, we all make cinema. Good cinema and bad cinema, that's all. So we try to make good cinema everywhere, in all industry. That's what.
Any planning, sir, entering in Bollywood, sir?
No. It's about cinema. It's not about Bollywood. Yeah, but it's about Hindi cinema. If there is some movie which can be remade from Malayalam, we are looking forward to it.
So what about you, sir? Bollywood?
I have not planned as of now anything. If something interesting comes my way, definitely.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm actually a Tamil and a Malayali myself. My native place is Kerala. I haven't worked in a Malayali film yet though. I haven't done Malayalam film yet. I've done Telugu, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. So, yes, the PETA event was yesterday and we launched India's first fashion lookbook for vegan fashion. So, I'm wearing cotton today. So, I don't really use leather and stuff in real life anyway. I'm happy to be part of PETA. Lots and lots of stuff, but as you met me even before Commando 2 and I signed it then and I didn't tell you, but I feel like you should start projects and then speak about them happily. I think with every film you should do a different role. If you're an actress and you're getting to play different characters, that's what we are all looking for. So I try with each film to do something new. So with Commando I try to do something funny. In all the South films, most of the ones I've done, my roles have been very emotionally, I've been crying and all the films. So.
Ma'am, what is the difference between different South Indian film and a Bollywood film, according to you?
I'll be very diplomatic and say the language is yes, it started. I don't want to miss the film. Okay, I'm going to watch the film. It's the language. The language is totally different, and I have to mug up lines because I don't speak Telugu or Kannada. So when I do a South film, I'm sitting with a book. I feel like I'm in school 10th standard exams.
Ma'am, today your costume is different. Can you tell us about your costume?
My costume
related and you did a hairstyle coloring. Can you tell us about regarding?
My hair was colored yesterday also. I put a choti today. This is the hairstyle, this is the earring, and this is my costume. And now I must go watch the film because it is a miss, and I don't like missing it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
मुझे लगता है सब कुछ सेम हो गया, तो आर्टिस्ट भी सेम हो गए, सब आर्टिस्ट शेयर हो रहे हैं, डायरेक्टर शेयर हो रहे हैं, म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर शेयर हो रहे हैं, टेक्नीशियंस बहुत सारे एक्सचेंज हो रहे हैं। एक जो फ़र्क मुझे लगता है वो ये है कि जब मूवी आपकी बन जाती है और उसके बाद जब प्रमोशन शुरू होता है तो मुझे लगता है बहुत डिफरेंस है। वहाँ पे आप 2 हफ्ते में शायद प्रमोशन एक हद तक कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे वास्ट ख़त्म ही होता है। कितनी भी आप प्रमोशन कर लीजिए, 3 महीने 2 महीने भी कर लीजिए, उसके बाद भी शायद कुछ लोग आपको बोल सकते हैं कि थोड़ा और करना चाहिए। नहीं, टाइम पे तो सभी जाते हैं आजकल। मुझे नहीं लगता, मैं पहले की स्टोरी सुनता था कि लोग शायद लेट आते थे, एक आधा शिफ्ट लेट, ऐसा मैंने अपने सामने आज तक कभी देखा नहीं है। थैंकफुली मैं जिन लोगों के साथ मैंने काम किया है उन लोगों ने मुझे सिखाया है। साउथ में मुझे सीखने को मिला है कि पंक्चुअलिटी वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट डायरेक्टर्स ऑन दिस प्लैनेट। पीटा के लिए मैं अपनी खाल भी खींचने के लिए तैयार हूँ। रेडी सर, रेडी सर। अभी मैंने रिसेंटली उनके लिए एक कैंपेन किया जहाँ पे वो लोग कहते हैं कि एनिमल से बनी हुई चीज़ें नहीं पहननी चाहिए, एनिमल स्किन से जो चीज़ें बनती, खासकर लेदर। लेकिन मैं ग्वालियर से हूँ, वहाँ पे हमको ऐसा दिखाया जाता था, बताया जाता था कि बड़े माचो बनने की लेदर की जैकेट वगैरह, लेकिन ये माचोनेस अपनी और भी चीज़ों से आप एस्टैब्लिश कर सकते हैं। किसी जानवर की खाल खींचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो पीटा के साथ मैं जुड़ा हूँ, मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ और हमेशा जुड़ा रहना चाहता हूँ।
Any planning upcoming projects?
श्योर, एक बिजॉय सर के साथ ही है, अभी जाके उनसे पूछ के आना। थैंक यू।
मनीष पॉल का मेरे नहीं नंबर था इंटरव्यू के लिए नहीं
बोलते वो है रहेगा तो ना, वो भी इसका सब बिजी है ना, उसको द बैंक का कुछ तो ही कर रहा है। गुरमीत के लिए मैसेज किया था कि आज तूने मेरे को बोल रहा है अभी, लेकिन गुरमीत बाहर गया है।